Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you find and join space into Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Google Chat application, and after that you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Now, among them, you will get to see this chat plus type of icon into the bottom right corner. Tap into that icon and then you will get to see this browse spaces option. Tap to browse spaces and you can search the name of the conversation in order to find the space. Just simply paste the ID name of the space that you are searching for, and then you can easily join that space from here if that space is public. This way, you can easily find or browse space to join into Google Chats. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.